To insert a citation into a Word document, make sure your cursor is in the right place in the document. Then click on the Zotero tab from the Word menu at the top. You see it's quite a small menu. You just need to click on Add or Edit Citation. The first time you do this with any document, it'll ask you to choose your referencing style, and we're going to choose a footnoted style, MHRA, but as you can see there are quite a few to choose from. Click on OK. When you do this, you'll see a superscript number 1 is placed into the document, and there's a holding place for your citation at the foot of the document. To insert something, you need to start typing the first few letters of the author's surname or the title of the work that you're interested in. Once we start typing, it'll start making suggestions, but as you get more specific, you'll see that there are fewer to choose from. In this case, we have just one. You can see there the author's surname and the year of publication. If you click on that, you can also add a page number. All you need to do is to press Enter, and if you'd like to add further citations to that one footnote, start typing again another author's surname or a word from the title. But in this case, we're just going to have one reference in our footnote, and we hit Enter to complete that. To insert a bibliography, you can do this at any time and at any point in the document. Again, from that Zotero tab in Word, choose Add or Edit Bibliography. This will automatically generate an alphabetized bibliography based on the resources that you've cited in your footnotes or in-text citations.